So are you or anyone in your family is scheduled for a total knee replacement surgery? It is quite natural to feel anxious, nervous because of many folds of informations which keeps flowing from our neighborhood or our relatives. So in this video, we are going to explain in detail about the facets of the total knee replacement surgery. So what changes after the surgery and what are the realistic expectations you can achieve in a long term after a total knee replacement surgery. Let's begin. Namaskar. I am Dr. Prasun Sanyal, consultant arthroplasty surgeon. Total knee replacement surgery, it is a major surgery. It's not a instant fix for your knee problems. You will undergo a series of tests which is known as pre-operative investigations to ascertain your fitness for the surgical procedures. In the x-rays, usually the standing x-rays of the knees and the long length scanogram for the angle measurements are usually performed as a pre-operative assessment by the surgeon. Always inform your surgeon about the ongoing medications you are taking, especially if you are taking any blood thinners like clopidogrel or any epileptic medications or any corticosteroids or any rheumatoid arthritis medications, because these medications need to be stopped a certain time frame before the surgery. Before the surgery, your surgeon might advise you to start with a light muscle strengthening exercise which can help you to regain the muscle strength after the surgery in the post-operative rehabilitation period. So it's quite natural to have anxiety and fear, but keep faith in your surgeon, follow his instructions to get a faster, quicker and predictable recovery. So total knee replacement surgery, it is like embarking on a journey. It is not that you will just immediately walk pain-free after the surgery. It's a process. Usually after or day after the surgery, you will walk with walkers. Day 2 or day 3, you will climb stairs with assistance from physiotherapists. And after discharge for a period of minimum 1 month, you will go supervised physiotherapy at home. You will ambulate or walk with walkers, and after 6 to 8 weeks, you will feel confident to walk without walkers to carry out your household daily menial activities. With gradual muscle strengthening and other physiotherapies, you can expect to gain further mobility. Usually pain and stiffness, swelling of the knee joint, it goes off around in few months. After the end of few months, which can span from 3 months to 6 months, which can vary patient to patient, you can expect a significant improvement of your knees in walking for a longer distance, cycling or low cyclical load activities or exercises. You will feel relief from the night pain. Your knee alignment, which was previously bent inwards or outwards, will straighten up and it will give you a more confident look. And you will see a drastic change from your pre-surgical life. So we have to remember that the purpose of the TKR is not to make your knee like a 20 years old. The objective of the surgery is to alleviate or reduce your pain, correct your alignment of the knees, and to ensure a pain-free mobility without any stiffness, and so that you can carry out all your activities of the day-to-day life, even your recreational sports activity. So total knee replacement is essentially, it is a journey. It is a journey which has to be traveled by both the surgeon as well as the patient, where the surgical skill of the surgeon is of paramount importance, but it is also to keep in mind that the efforts which are put in by the patient during the physiotherapy, their motivation, it also comes in play. So stay tuned with us for further videos on TKR. Stay tuned for further updates.